Hey everybody, welcome to another episode here of Teslas in Canada. Today we're going to be installing the bug guards from Arcoche on the front of the Tesla to keep those pesky bugs and leaves out of the cooling system. So as you can see, this is the stock system here and what it looks like. And the leaves can get right in there, as you can see. And then you can see all these bug splatters on my car. Bugs have gotten in there. This system will pop in and it actually makes it even look a lot better. Makes it look nicer. The airflow is still all there. The airflow is still all there. Air can get through, but bugs and leaves cannot. So I'm gonna push this in. It's a clip-in system. It clips in and you have to make sure that it clips in so that it doesn't fall off. And then I will test it out. Okay, so it fits together like that. Take this off. Let's pop in this side first. It's all clipped in good. You can see how that looks. And then as I clip in this side as well, so we have it all installed here. Standing from further back, that's what it looks like. And I can feel the air is still able to pull through on the cooling system. So it still functions as it should. And now it will protect bugs and leaves from going in there. To use this leaf as an example. So because it's pulling the air in, it gets stuck there and it doesn't fit through anywhere on there because of the net. So you can't push that leaf in there. Easy to clean out. There you go. So if you're looking to get this bug guard or any other accessories from their website, you can use the code CA20 for 20% off. It also greatly helps out the channel. All the links will be below here in the description, and I definitely highly recommend it. It's going to protect your cooling system from damage from rocks, bugs, leaves from getting in there, and keep your car running smoother longer. And plus, you can easily pressure wash this clean, and it will clean it all out. So anyways, thank you for watching this video. Check out some of my other videos. If you like my content, subscribe to the channel, and if you're ordering a Tesla, make sure to use the referral link down below for $650 off and free full self-driving for 3 months. Have a blessed day.